guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as I promised, I will come back with another one brand makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna recreate my makeup tutorial that was maybe 5-7 years ago. And this is one brand makeup tutorial using Morphe products, and it was very new here in Norway, so I just grabbed some palettes from them, and as you can see, I'm using it. And yeah, this is what I created, and I hope you guys enjoy. And this is a little bit like a summery vibes, peach and pinks and so on and so forth, so also perfect for brides. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I can still make another one after this. We'll see, and yeah, I'm not gonna promise, but yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, bye bye. So yeah, as you can see, I already prepped my face. I don't have primer from Morphe, so what I use is my favorite face primer, illuminating glow from Makeup Mecca, and this advanced nail mucin power from CosRX. Yeah, so this is my favorite combo as of the moment. So yes, so we'll start with our eyes. We do have primer. I do have eyelid primer from Morphe. This is the base and base de maquillage in the shade translucent. So we'll just put it on our eyelids. So this is very important if you're gonna have a long event and you wanted that your eyeshadow will stay all day. So just put primer so the eyeshadow will adhere all day. It will also help for that your eyeshadow will blend smoothly onto your eyelids. So that's the reason why we put eyelid primer. So you can also use concealer if you want. So I will just set it with this translucent powder. If you hear some noises in my background, it's just because my two cats are playing or they're fighting, so just ignore it. They're under my table as of the moment, so just ignore the sound. That's it. And then I do have two eyeshadow palettes here. I do have this Pretty in Peach, and it has a mirror on it. This is how it looks like. Very nice, very summery. And then I also have this what they call Petal Passion, and it has shimmers as well. So I don't know which one I will use, but I will try to I think this one, it's giving more like a summer vibe, so I will try to use this one. We'll start with this shade over here, which is called Delighted. So I always stop the excess. So this shadow will serve as our transition color. Is very nice. It's kind of like brownish orange or something like that, muted brown with orange pigment. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but yes, or maybe I will put it all over my eyelid. So that. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. I'm just not used anymore to make videos or talking in front of the camera, so just bear with me. This is my comeback, guys, so please bear with me. And then next is we're gonna put a just to warm up our crease. Ito, I will put this shade over here, and it's called Dressed Up. So I will just grab another brush, tap the excess, and I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit, just like so, and like slightly bring it on the inner part of your eyelid. Just like that. Always tap the excess, just so it won't look like very harsh. So yeah, and then for our third eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this shimmer over here, and it's called Rom-Com. So I'm just gonna put it with my finger, so just like that. Wow, it is very pigmented and it blends like butter, so it's very good. The glitters or the shimmers itself, it's not like very chunky, it's very fine and it's very nice to look at. I'm keep on looking on the screen, I'm sorry guys, you know. Please bear with me, this is my first time again after a long time, so please bear with me. I need to get used to it again. I'm so sorry. So just keep on doing that, keep on like adding up, and then grab the brush that you used before and just slightly blend it out. The key to a very nice eyeshadow is to blending. The key is blending, guys. And then you can just add it again like that. So I will just put some eyelashes and I will come back. So this is how it looks like after I put the eyelashes, and I just smoke out some eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow here, and this is called Strawberry Kisses. No, Cheek Peak maybe. Yung Strawberry Kisses nga. So, ito siya yung brown, dark brown nila. So, ayan. And then, I just soften it and smudge it on my liner area. So, it looks like this. And then, as you can see, it's kind of faded away the shimmers that I put earlier. So, I think I'm gonna just to add a little bit of shimmers on my eyelid. I'm gonna use this Say No More, this one, like a champagne color. So I'm just gonna put it and add a little bit on my eyelids. So shimmer. Wow, very nice. And then we're gonna proceed to our foundation. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use this Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage, and my shade is the medium 15. So let's shake it. This is how it looks like. The consistency is very thick, so it's medium to full coverage. As I see it on the review, you can just build it up if you want a full coverage, but yeah, so this is how it looks like, and we'll see. So it instantly covers my imperfections here. I do have, but this one in this area, you can see it's peeking through. It's very easy to blend the foundation. and I can really tell that this is a medium coverage, but you can build it if you want in full coverage as well. You can see I already blended it with my using my brush, and then I will just grab this complexion sponge just to like dab it a little bit, so just to remove the excess if there's any, but I believe I blended it well. So yeah, this is a very nice sponge, but unfortunately my cat stole it and bite it, so it was already ruined a little bit, but I can still use it, there's no problem. So they love sponges, so I always hide my sponges from them, but this one I failed to hide it from them, so they just easily grab it and destroy it. They love playing with sponges. Then I think we're gonna proceed to our concealer. So for my concealer, I'm gonna use this Filter Effect Soft Radiance Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Neutral. I believe I got a little bit darker on my shade, but it's okay. I'm just gonna put it like so. And then I will just first I'm just gonna blend it with brush, so like that. It's very easy to blend. Wow. And it's not that thick. This is what I want. The consistency is very perfect for me, because I don't like thick consistency concealer, because it tends to sit on my fine lines very well when it's very thick, so I don't really like it. So to set my face, I'm just gonna use the translucent Bake and Set powder from Morphe again, of course. So I'm just gonna grab the complexion sponge and bake it a little bit. So I'm just gonna remove what I bake here. There. And then proceed to my blush. For my blush, I'm gonna use this Blush Balm Soft Focus Cream Blush in the shade Mauve. This is what it looks like. So, as you can see, it's very nice. It has glitter, a little bit of shimmers on it, so it looks very like luminous, and as if you're wearing a highlighter on it, so it's very nice. And I will just grab the powder and set it with powder. This is translucent powder that I used earlier. Just grab it like that, slightly. So I just forgot I have a bronze here, so I'm just gonna warm up my face using this bronze over here. And this is the Bronze Show Velvet Matte Press Powder in the shade Touch of Sand. So I'm just gonna slightly bronze my face because I forgot. So super nice, huh? If you don't know, I'm a very big fan of like very shimmery blush, so I wanted to put this Playboy pink. This is what it looks like. It's like cool tone pink, so just to give a little bit additional shimmer, so because why not, it's summer. You can see. So this is how it looks like, and then I'm just gonna spray it with Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray. Ayan siya. Oh, super bang, ang bang. Sobrang bango niya. And then, I'm just gonna finalize everything and then I will come back.